Today we are going to take the X-Class out and we're going to test the cargo rack. I got a package over there that needs to go to the UPS store. That's one of my common videos. And this is going to be really convenient for returns and adding bags and boxes to the back for cargo and panniers maybe. We'll see. So here's the cargo net in the box and we're just going to take it over there and strap it on the bike. All right, we're on the Ariel Rider X-Class step through and we got a large package on the back. So this is the first time I'm utilizing the cargo rack. It's Memorial Day weekend, so we got an extra day off of work. So I definitely plan on filming more videos, of course. But I figured I'm gonna run this quick errand and save some gas and go this way. I could take the motorcycle, probably get there faster. I could do the same thing and strap it on the back of that, but I wanted to utilize the X-Class cargo rack and show you what you can do as far as hauling stuff around like this. You don't necessarily need a bag or a box or anything. You can just use the cargo net and strap anything to your bike. Now I did install my hitch in my bike rack. You guys haven't seen that yet on YouTube, but I have posted some photos on the community tab, so maybe you have seen it. I did have some complications with the bar that goes down over the frame. It scratched the paint off the Kepler, so I think I fixed it, but I gotta get some touch-up paint for the Kepler. They give you black paint in the box when you get the bike, black touch-up paint, but it's glossy. I want to see if I can find some flat black. It's probably not going to match perfectly with the frame color, but I think it'll look better than glossy. Nobody's coming. We might have got lucky again. I've gotten lucky a couple times going down this road where I turn right when the light changes and then everybody stops, so you maybe get one or two cars coming this way, but that's about it. Nice. Little ground. But now we're getting into traffic. We've been here a few times in the videos. Go all the way down and turn around. There down. Thank you. I think we might take the long way home. Trying to think the best way to go. Go right here on this kind of busy road. Alright, yeah, this is like a 12% grade down. I could definitely get some speed here if I didn't have to get on the sidewalk. But I love how silent these V-Tire E-Huntsmen are. They don't make very much noise at all. And they got pretty good rolling resistance with as big and knobby as they are. They're nothing like the Speedsters, but I love that they don't make a big whirring sound when you're driving. Although I do kind of like that sound, and it also makes you more visible. But that's all right. Well, that's it for today's video. I'm heading over to see the family. They're right over here at my in-laws' house. And then I'm gonna go play some tennis today on this beautiful Friday. If you guys need a cargo rack, I think they're currently out of stock, but they should be stocking back up here soon. They don't have very many left, so I would jump on it as quickly as you can. But they are great. They work really well. They allow you to carry more stuff, especially on the X-Class that doesn't really have any room for cargo. The cargo rack definitely helps. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to put on it, but I'm probably going to swap it over to the Grizzly when I get the Grizzly. I don't know when that's going to be. Hopefully soon. Ariel Rider, ship me the Grizzly. What are you waiting for? I need that. I need it in my life.
I need it!
Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button to see more content like this. Hit that bell to be notified when I upload. Go down there and hit that like button. It really does help out the algorithm. And leave a comment down below if you have any questions about anything, or if you just want to say hi. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.